Okay, guys. So today we are going to learn about the simple HTML structure. So let's head over to our code pen. So yes. So today we want to learn about the simple HTML structure and how to get started writing your basic HTML code. So you click on this new pen. All right. So this is our code pen editor interface. So let me write a comment. Simple HTML structure. Yes. So for those of us who watched the previous video, one thing about codepen.io is that it saves automatically. So now we want to save this particular document. So when I click on this save button here, can you see auto save enabled? Now you want to rename this file. Okay, so you can either do it like by clicking this settings button, simple HTML, simple HTML structure. Okay, then you can put a description here, then you save and you close. So, and you see, you can even edit here. Okay, simple HTML structure. So our document is saved now. Okay, our project is saved, right? So this is a comment. So comment in HTML means you are isolating a particular line of your code. Okay, so whatsoever code I write here, it is not going to be displayed in our browser because it is in the comment. Okay, so the syntax for comment is just your um, less than and then exclamation mark, then hyphen, then your comment is here. Okay, then two hyphens again, then you end it. Okay, now let's start with our basic HTML structure. All right, so we start with defining the document type. So we are going to start with this syntax, your less than arrow, your apostrophe, then you write doc type. Okay, sorry, it's going to be in capital letter, doc type. Yes, so we are defining the document type, then you just write in small letter HTML, then you close it. Is that understood? Yeah. So then we move on to defining our HTML tag itself. So this HTML tag has opening and closing tag. Okay. So all our HTML code will be written inside this HTML opening and closing tag. All right. So now inside this HTML opening and closing tag, we have two major sections. Okay, we have the header section and we have the body section. The header section and then the body section. So for example, let me just show you how you go about it. Okay, your opening tag, you write head and then you close it again, head. Okay, don't forget when you are closing your tag, this symbol must be there. Okay, all right, then we have the body. Okay, so in this HTML tag, we have two individual tags. We have the header, the head tag, and then the body tag. Okay, so what we do is that this head tag, the informations, they won't be visible in your browser. What will be visible in your browser is the body tag. Do you understand? Yes. So all the codes we write inside this body tag, they are what will be reflected in the browser section. Okay, this white panel. So inside your header tag, what we do is we define metadatas. Okay, we define metadatas, or then and also we define our title, the title of the document. So we can see practice. Okay, so this title, like I told us, everything in this head section, they don't display on our browser. Okay, they don't display on our browser. So this title section only displays here. Can you see the place I highlighted? Yes, it only displays here. By the time we start using proper code editors, you guys will understand better. Okay, so whatever you write inside this title, we only display here. Okay, but with time you will get to understand. This metadata, we use it to actually set your character. We also use it to import our CSS files. Okay, you will get to understand those ones as we go on in the course. So we have our body tag. So let's now, don't forget, everything you write in your body tag reflects in your browser. Okay, can you see? So now we want to write, so what can we write? We are going to be writing hello world, then welcome to my website. Okay, so we are using our h1 tag, hello world. Can you see? So we have it h1 element in our browser. Then secondly, we have the p element, welcome to my website. No, welcome to my first website. Okay, so can you see? So our CodePen.io automatically fetches whatever is loading. Okay, so we have our first website, hello world, welcome to my first website. Okay, now this is the basic HTML structure. It is the building block of every website. So if you come here and you search, okay, let's say Tech Kabar, everything here is built on the foundation. Everything on this website is built on the foundation of what you just learned, the simple HTML structure. Can you see? Everything here from this header, they are all inside the body tag, this body tag. They are all inside the body. Do you understand? Yes. All right. So this title tag is what we have here. Okay. It reflects here. Okay. So all these, they are inside your body elements. So I just want to show you. So I'm right clicking now. So I'm inspecting. You are going to see. Can you see? Can you see the HTML structure? So HTML, your basic HTML structure. Can you see? They define the document type. They define the HTML opening tag, then your head element, your body element, and they also included iframe. Can you see everything on this website is not in this head section, it's inside this body section. So welcome to learning HTML and CSS. Welcome to learning web development.